Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews.
In today's episode, we're taking a closer look at the Koroao Router Wall Mount designed specifically for the Starlink Mesh Router V2 and Ethernet adapter.
We'll discuss its features, benefits, and why it might be a valuable addition to your home network setup. The Koroao Router Wall Mount is a sturdy and durable bracket designed to hold the Starlink Mesh Router V2 and Ethernet adapter.
It's made from ABS plastic material, ensuring longevity and resistance to sun and wear. This wall mount is designed to provide extra stability for your Starlink router while freeing up valuable desk or floor space. One of the standout features of this product is its ease of installation. The package includes a full set of mounting tools, making it a hassle-free process to mount it on any wall in your home. This lightweight and practical design ensures that anyone can install it without any complications. Say goodbye to messy cables with this router wall mount. It keeps all your Starlink cables neatly wrapped in the holder, maintaining a clean and organized appearance. No more ugly hanging wires or cluttered cables on your desktop. By mounting your Starlink router on the wall, you can reclaim valuable desk or floor space. This not only improves the aesthetics of your setup but also helps with heat dissipation, ensuring your router stays cool during extended usage.
The Koroao Router Wall Mount is designed specifically for the Starlink Mesh Router V2 and Ethernet adapter.
It's a perfect fit, ensuring a secure and stable hold.
You can find this product on Amazon for $23.99.
It's eligible for fast, free shipping with Amazon Prime, making it an affordable and convenient solution. As of now, this product has received a 4.5-star rating from 2 customers on Amazon, indicating overall satisfaction. The Koroao Router Wall Mount for Starlink Mesh Router V2 plus Ethernet adapter is a practical and cost-effective solution for anyone looking to tidy up their home network setup. Its easy installation, cord clutter solution, and space-saving design make it a valuable addition to any home. If you're a Starlink user, this accessory can enhance your router's stability while keeping your setup clean and organized. That concludes our review of the Koroao Router Wall Mount for Starlink Mesh Router V2 plus Ethernet adapter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more informative product reviews.
Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode.